At Guest Supply, we simplify complex challenges so you can focus on what matters most. Our mission is to take the burden off your team by offering a range of service including project management, design, installation, and financial solutions. When it comes to full-spectrum FF&E solutions, we understand that the details make all the difference. Our dedicated service partners and the Guest Supply team will work closely on every phase, ensuring precision and meticulous project execution. Why choose Guest Supply? All-inclusive service, from planning through final execution. Comprehensive expertise, fast, efficient, and minimally disruptive. Personalized oversight. Your dedicated sales consultant manages every detail. Versatile capabilities. No project is too big or small. Proven reliability. A trusted network of vetted service providers. To learn more, contact your Guest Supply sales consultant today or visit us online.